How to stop or block recommended post on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to stop or block recommended post on Facebook. So watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Facebook app on a device. Ensure to sign in to your particular account. And then once you're on this home page of Facebook, select the three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down, select Settings and Privacy option and tap on Settings option. Then you will access the settings page of Facebook where you have to select the See More in Account Center at top of the screen. Scroll, tap Add Preferences on this section, and here, now among the option of Customize Ads or Manage Info, select Manage Info and head towards the option of Activity Information from Ad Partners. Now tap Review Settings button. Here tap No, don't make any ads more relevant by using this information and choose Confirm button. Once you do that, you need to select Audience Based Advertising, and after that you need to scroll down and tap on the particular advertisers here, and then tap on the option for they uploaded or used a list to reach you, and then select Don't Allow button. Do the same for every advertiser shares and come back to the section of Manage Info. Choose the option for Ads Shown outside of Meta and choose Not Allowed. Once you follow this step and make the changes, choose Category Used to Reach You at top of the screen and make sure to toggle the button or say to No for every option here, and once you do that, you are good to go. This is how we stop or block recommended posts on Facebook. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.